The Filipina Pea rose to YouTube prominence by blending sharp insight, cultural commentary, and personal storytelling, all delivered with a warm, confident voice that resonated with both local and international audiences. Here's how she carved out her niche focus with global appeal. While her content is rooted in Filipino culture, it addresses universal themes like love, trust, and identity. This made her channel especially popular among foreigners curious about the Philippines, expats, and even locals who appreciated her take on social issues. Engaging storytelling. Whether she's interviewing someone who got scammed or reflecting on her own experiences, she structures her videos like mini-documentaries complete with emotional arcs, humor, and thoughtful conclusions. Focus on cultural storytelling rather than just showing places. She dives into Filipino culture, values, and social dynamics. As a travel vlogger, you can do the same by highlighting local customs, festivals, or even street conversations. Balance humor with honesty. She's not afraid to be funny or sarcastic, but she also tackles serious topics with care. This emotional range makes her content feel real and relatable. The Filipina Pea uses comedy like a secret sauce, subtle, smart, and just spicy enough to keep you coming back for more. Her humor isn't slapstick or over the top. It's cleverly observational, often poking fun at cultural quirks, relationship dynamics, and everyday absurdities in a way that feels both familiar and fresh. Here's how she pulls it off. Satirical framing. She often structures videos around playful concepts like the 10 Filipina commandments or do not anger a Filipina, parodying serious formats like religious texts or relationship advice to deliver light-hearted truths with a wink to. Character-driven delivery. P doesn't just talk, she performs. She uses expressive facial cues, dramatic pauses, and even costumes to embody different personas. This theatrical flair makes her commentary feel like a one-woman show, not just a vlog. Cultural inside jokes. Her comedy often leans into Filipino idiosyncrasies like the chaos of fast food lines, the mystery of missing utensils, or the sacred ritual of karaoke. These shared experiences create a sense of you get it too camaraderie with her audience. Self-aware sass. She's not afraid to be cheeky, whether she's teasing foreign men about dating expectations or gently roasting Filipino habits. Her tone stays warm and inclusive. It's the kind of sass that says, we're all in on the joke. Unexpected twists. Even in serious videos, she drop a zinger or visual gag that catches viewers off guard, like comparing relationship red flags to fast food orders. It keeps the pacing lively and the tone unpredictable. Her comedy isn't just for laughs, it's a bridge. It disarms viewers, invites them into deeper conversations, and makes complex cultural topics feel approachable.